Okay, now we're working on number 8 on page 110. And what they ask you to do is multiply 1 and 9/10 by 3 and 4/10 by 5/100. So the best way to do this is take it step by step. Do the first two, which would be 1.9 times 3.4. Now you never align your decimals in multiplication. It's just a coincidence that these line up here. Okay? If they line up by accident and it just happens, it's fine. You don't need to change it. But don't do it on purpose because you'll make mistakes that way. Okay? So we can multiply this and solve it. So 9 times 4 is 36. Carrier 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So I'm treating it like a regular multiplication problem. Put my placeholder in. 3 times 9 is 27. Put my 2 up. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. Now I'm going to add them. 6, 7 and 7 is 14, and I have 646. Now I'm going to take the next factor, because we have factor makes up a multiplication problem, remember? And our next factor is, let's put our decimal back in here. So I have 1 decimal place here, 1 decimal place here. So in my product here, how many places do I want to go over? I want to go over 2 places because 1 plus 1 is 2. So our decimal point is here, 1, 2. So when I continue with this problem, I have a decimal point right here. I wonder if I could change the color so we could see. Nope, I'm not talented enough yet. We'll keep going until I get better at this. All right. I couldn't get it. So now we're going to multiply by 5/100. Okay, correct? Is that right? 6 times 5 is 30. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. Sorry, I lose my train of thought. You know that already, though. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 2 is 32. So I ended up with 3230. So I have 2 decimal places here, and I have 2 here. 1, 2. So I have 2. So in my final product, 2 plus 2 is 4. And my final product, all right, I'm going to try and change this again. Should I go red? Oh, it's red. Let's see if it worked. It worked. So in my final product, I'm going to go over 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 0.323, but we're in 6th grade, and we don't say 0.323, we say 323 thousandths is our answer. And I circled it the wrong way, but it's okay. You get the idea.